Hey everyone, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at a simple engine bay appearance accessory, and that is SVE's aluminum radiator hold-down plates designed for the Fox Body Mustangs. SVE's radiator hold-down plates are constructed from aluminum and incorporate the correct bends that allow the plate to lay correctly on top of the core support. These radiator hold-downs are currently available in either a natural or black finish, which will blend well with most engine bays. Because of the simple and sleek design, these hold-downs weigh nothing at all. And the best part is they install in just a matter of minutes. In the box will be one radiator hold-down, hardware for both 79 to 83 and 84 to 93 cars, as well as two spacers. 1979 to 1983 Fox bodies utilized an SAE bolt, whereas 1984 to 1993 cars utilized a metric bolt. Now the included spacers are going to be used in all applications and will properly space the plate above the top of the core support. This is going to allow a level mounting surface and will prevent the plate from being warped or tweaked if you were to just tighten it down against the core support itself. Now, a couple of fitment notes to point out when installing this hold down plate is to not over tighten the hardware. Over tightening the hardware could cause the aluminum to crease. All you need to do is either hand tighten the bolts, or for you torque spec gurus, torque each bolt to 60 inch-pounds. The other note is for 1990 to 1993 Fox owners with airbag cars. The provided spacers must be installed since they allow proper clearance of the airbag module retaining bolts. With the hood open, remove the two factory bolts followed by the radiator hold-down brackets. Take this time to clean the area. Position the SVE radiator hold-down plate into place. Slide one of the spacers into place and loosely thread the correct provided bolt. Do this for the other side. Now, as you tighten each bolt, pull the hold-down plate towards you. Like I said before, tighten each bolt by hand or torque them to 60 inch-pounds. After that, you're good to go. Wrapping things up here, guys, these radiator hold-down plates do a simple job of holding the radiator in place, as well as covering the open space between the core support and the radiator. Not to mention, the SVE radiator hold-downs are inexpensive, so they're not going to break the bank, and they're an easy appearance mod for Fox owners out there who are wanting to spruce up their engine bay and get away from the look of the factory hold-down brackets. Of course, for the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything you may have seen in this video, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. Check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.